Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
The F students are inventors. They're so creative.
Hell no!
Oh, hello there! Chat, is this real?
Gada, oh, I've been married a long time ago. What year to come from? What year to go? What year to come from? Bacalado.
Skibbity-dum-dum-dum, yes, yes. Skibbity-dum-dum-dim-dim. Skibbity-dum-dum-dum, yes, yes. Skibbity-dum-dum-dim-dim.
I like my cheese drippy, bruh.
Lizard.
Flint and steel.
These nuts. Got him!
Bruh.
Yes!
I am Steve.
Tung 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 sahur.
Like a nigga cheese, 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 cheese. Like a nigga cheese, 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 cheese. Like a nigga cheese, cheese, cheese. Like a nigga cheese, cheese. Like a nigga cheese, cheese, cheese.
Fuck! And spit on that thing, you get me?
Chicken jockey.
Mr. Beast!
We're Costco guys. Of course we go shopping while eating a chicken bake.
In the war room by myself with him, chilling.
La 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 lava. Chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yes, tasty as hell.
No, la polizia, no.
What the hell? What the hell?
Bombardiro crocodilo. Trallallero trallallà.
Another one.
I bought a property in Egypt, and what they do for you is they give you the property.
I like my suitcase.
Freaking pack it, yo.
Mark, give me the Zuck.
My day is 6 a.m. to noon, and I'm not crazy.
A minor.
The Among Us potion.
6, 7.
Clanker!
Labubu.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
Stop, sir.
No, I said I'm.
What stop, sir, man?
Go! Show me your willy!
Today I feel disabled. Today I feel gay.
What a Sigma?
It must be nice.
From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown? That's my bling. Always drama when I ring.
I am not shaped like a Ferris wheel!
Yep, you're banned.
Thank you.
Put white bird washi.
He want a blue raspberry slush with nerds in it.
Terrorists win.
Boring, boring, boring. The double chunk chocolate cookie.
Get pooped on, dude.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Oh no!
The hoes gon' love this.
Today's subject, slavery.
Why are you here?
To find my pooping pills.
Why are you gay?
They're eating the dogs.
It's time to play the game. Time to play the game.
Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantical.
You know how long I've been waiting for this? Woo, I'm about to make a name for myself here.
But I know if I ask a brother to come 5, 6, 7, 8 times, I'm gonna lose.
God damn.
I'm gonna lose. Ronaldo!
This is for my safety.
Put the phone down!
This is for my safety.
Put the phone down!
This is for my safety.
Put the phone down! Put the phone down!
This is for my safety, sir.
老天保佑，金山银山前路有。老天教唆，别管江湖龙虎斗。
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just shit out my ass. Booted up my PC. Cause I need to get that Fortnite Battle Pass. I like Fortnite. Did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite. It's nighttime. I mean, it's 5 o'clock. That's basically nighttime. Now remember Cartoon Network Adventure Time.
Five Whoppers and 5 more Whoppers.
Hey, everybody know ain't no party like a Diddy party, so.
He's on an escalator. It's going upstairs, so see you later. That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, ay, ay.
Uh-oh. Stinky poop.
You think you just fell out of a coconut tree?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Emotional damage.
Так дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Сумма нули погибает на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливай один поцелуй на шее.
Fortnite balls. Oh my god!
I need the max win.
Oh, hell no, man. Top G.
Bang.
Can I get a Hoya? Hoya.
I say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see me. What the dog doing?
Let him
Drake? Drake?
I'm the York. I'm in the York. I'm in the York.
Pedro, Pedro,
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. How you know pick up your phone? Your phone ringing. Your phone going to go to voicemail. Goodbye. We friends though.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
I would like to confirm a Fanta Lights, please, Brav.
Hear the roar.
English or Spanish?
Damn, what is that, bro?
Calc is short for calculator. I'm just using slang, guys.
But I never talk.
Are you serious right now?
You are my sunshine.
It's grippy.
No, check the lace on us.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty.
Imagine if Ninja got a low table fade.
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
What's your argument?
Wow. I like your pee-pee. Wow. I like your pee-pee.
I farted and a poopy almost slipped out.
Yeah, that's what I would have did.
No, don't touch me there. This is my no square. No, don't touch me there. This is my no